Hello, welcome back to another interesting video with PictoBlox.
Hey everyone! This is Hazel here. Today, we're building a super fun maze game in PictoBlox using block coding. Ready to make your sprite move, avoid obstacles, and reach the goal? Let's get started. Open PictoBlox and choose blocks to start. Here it is. Let's choose our background first. Click this background icon. Select this image. Now let's change our character. Click here. Select animals. Then we need to select the beetle. Beetle size is too big for the game. Let's reduce it to 50 in the size session here. Select the block when space key pressed from events. This is for the upward, downward, left and right movements of the sprite. Here choose up arrow. Go to motion, select the block move 10 steps. Make it into 2 steps. Now select the point and direction. Change the angle to 0, this is for the upward movement. Let's check it. Here I'm pressing the up arrow, and it is working successfully. Now let's duplicate this for other 3 directions. This one for the downward. Change the angle to 180. Let's check it. Let's duplicate another one for the right arrow and change it angle to 90. This is for right side direction. It is working. Now it's for the left arrow. The angle will minus 90. It is for left side movements. Okay, now we caught up with all directional movements. It's time for the game. So this is the starting position. Now select the block when green flag pressed. Then choose the block go to X, Y from here. As this shows the starting position of this beetle as this. These numbers represent the specific starting position. Then go to the control statements. Select the forever block. Now we need to set the condition. What if the beetle touches the black line? It will be a false move and we need to start from the beginning again. Select the if-then block from control. This if-then is a condition. If the beetle touches the black line, it should start from the beginning itself. So we use the touching color block from the sensing element as the condition. In this touching color block we can change the color to black. Like this. Select the color from the image itself. Then go to the motion section and select the glide to X and Y block. This means if it touches the black line it will glide to the initial coordinates. As you can see, the beetle is moving. Wherever the beetle touches the black line, it is instantly gliding back to its initial position. By avoiding all the black lines, the beetle should reach near the apple and win. How will we show the win? So let us set another condition to set the win. Use the if, then conditional block for this. Select the touching color block from sensing element. Change the color to red. Like we did before, choose from image. Tell what happens if it touches the red color. We win. So it go back to the initial position for another new game. If touching color is red, we need select the go to X and Y block from motion element. Now select the say hello for 2 seconds blocks from the looks element. And change word hello to winner. Okay, now let's play the game. Move this beetle slowly. Please be so careful. Oops. We lost. Don't give up. Let's do this again. By clearly avoiding all the black lines slowly. Yes. Now we are becoming so close to the apple. Great job. Wow, we got this. Winner. What if we add a score to each win? Is it a great idea? To add the score, go the variable section. You can click on make a variable and create a variable as score. Then select the set my variable to 0 and put it here. This is to set the score as 0 at the starting of each game. Then we need the block. Change my variable by 1. And replace variable by score. Now each time the beetle eat the apple, the score will increase by 1. Now you can see a score will be appear at the top right side of the maze. Let's test this by putting the beetle near the apple. The score changed to 1 from 0. Let's do this again. One more win. Now the score is 2. Now we are going to add one more thing for the false move. Same like we are showing the word winner for win. We need to show something for loss also, like oops. Go to looks. Select the say hello block. Replace the hello by the word oops. And let's check it out. Remember to put this block only after block touching the color black. Otherwise it doesn't work. Let's check this. We are moving this. When it hits a black line, it shows what we are written in the box like oops. We have completed the designing of an entire maze game you can learn and play here. Now you can create your own maze game. That's for today. Let's meet in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye from Hazel.